Hey everybody, this is Coach Randy Stoughton at the Kegel Training Center in beautiful Lake Wales, Florida. And I'm here to give you a KTC tip. And today we're going to talk about body angles and positions to create space so that you can have a pendulum arm swing. First of all, I'm going to dispel a few myths and maybe get related all the way back to the 50s and the 60s with square shoulders and don't drop your shoulder and all kinds of things that we were taught as I was growing up, and we're going to dispel some of those myths. And so far as square, the old version of setup, I can remember Dick Weber telling me, get your shoulders square and get the ball off to your side and swing pendulum next to your body and follow through the shoulder and stick your thumb in your ear or shake hands with your head or comb your hair or pat yourself on the back, all kinds of little cliches that would indicate trying to get the swing to finish like this. In today's world, what we're trying to do is we're trying to get the ball to go inside out, and that's going to require angle. And also, one of the main functions of bowling is to keep a pendulum swing. And that means this right leg has got to get out of the way 2 times. Once on the way back, and then once on the way through. And our conventional setup with angle is more this way as opposed to this way. So the left foot goes forward, the right foot goes back, the elbow goes to the hip, and the shoulders take on the angle of the hips and the feet, and everything is nice and stacked up. So the setup position is extremely important to the end result. Now, once we get into the swing of things and we get that right leg to move, we're going to have a crossover step, which is going to also enhance this dropped shoulder angle, and so the ball has a pathway to stay on a pendulum all the way into the backswing. Okay? And then on the way back through, we're going to clear it out again, and this right shoulder is going to drop again so that the follow through will now come through the face as opposed to through here. So the best in the world are all following through right in through here. Some of them are all the way over here on this side, depending on flexibility and how far inside out you want the ball to go. But there's going to be a high-low angle between the shoulders, and this right shoulder is going to drop under so the arm can stay on a perfect pendulum start to finish. And that's my tip of the day for body angles. Thanks for joining in, and I hope to see you at the Kegel Training Center real soon.